how to create your signature on Microsoft Outlook. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the top here, click on settings, go down, click on view all settings of Outlook right here, click on mail right here, as you can see, the second option after general, and click on compose and reply right here. Go here, click new signature. As you can see, now add your signature name from here, for example Jacob. It's so easy to edit it. You can change the color, so easy, as you can see. Now click for new messages or for replies. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.